Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural, and today we're going to turn this into that.
Today we're going to style our hair, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe because we bring out valuable information that will help you with your natural hair and with your kids' natural hair. So she has had us hair in this style for about a week. Our hair is washed and it has been protein treated before we put it in this style, and this style was done for stretch, so to stretch our hair for the new style we're going to do. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to start working starting from the back, and I'll show you how I'll be installing the protective style. We're using Marley hair, and we kind of try to get the similar hair to our hair texture, and the Marley hair that we're using is from this brand right here. This is the Jamaican Kinky Marley braid hair in color 1B. This is our hair, and I'm just unraveling it. And then the next thing that I'm doing is spraying it with water to moisturize it. Getting my oil, moisturizing it really well, getting it especially at the ends. And then I'm going to take the cream that I'm using, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from As I Am, apply it to the ends of our hair, and then lightly detangling our hair. You want to also moisturize the hair, so I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of water and take the cream that I'm using, apply that to the hair. Make sure they have even length right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the hair and you're going to kind of join it together like this. So once you've joined it together like that, so now you almost have 3 strands. So you have this strand right here, and then you have the other strand that you joined up. So let's do that again. So you've joined it up like that. So you have 1, 2, and then this will be the 3rd strand. You section the hair into 3 parts. So that's 1, 2, 3. So section it into 3 parts. Take your Marley hair that you section, so you have 1, 2, and 3. So once you do that, they will just go, this will go with this one will go with this, and then the 3rd one will go with the 3rd hair over here. All you do right now is you just braid the hair as you see it. So I'm just taking the hair and I'm just braiding it like that. When you braid, try not to braid too tightly, because if you braid it too tightly, that's when you can have traction alopecia, you can have hair loss, lots of hair loss, and you really don't want that. So I'm going as gentle as I can, and as you can see, there's movement at the root area so that the hair doesn't appear too tight. And if it tangles at the end, just take your time and unravel it from the end so that it doesn't tangle so much. So when I get to the end, what I do is I just do 2 strand twist, and that makes it easy when it's time to unravel. I try not to make it too tight by doing braids again. So just simply do 2 strand twist, and that will be good enough. So when done, this is what it will look like with the 2 strand twist at the ends. And you can also dip this if you want to dip it in hot water, but I'm personally not going to do that. So we're going to continue with the rest of the hair, pretty much doing the same thing. When you are dealing with the edges, especially like for our edges are very fragile, what you're going to do is, of course, you're going to spray the water to moisturize it, and then I'm going to take some oil, same thing, and this is, I have my cream already on my hand, and I'm going to just apply to the hair gently. So you can take a little bit of gel and put it along the edges just to lay it down if you want to. If you're going to use gel, be very careful, and you can click that video that just popped up that shows you how to care for your edges, especially when you're using gels along your edges, and so that your hair won't be damaged. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the gel, just a tad bit, and put it along our edges, just pretty much to lay it down. If you have a brush, you can brush it, but for me, I'm not going to brush our hair. I'm just going to use my hand and gently use my hand just to lay it down. So now I can start braiding up the hair like this, and what I'm going to do is get the hair and start braiding. So when you get to the point where you've braided the hair and you're turning it into a twist at the end, you can tell the person to also hold that section and continue twisting the hair if you feel that you cannot twist the hair on its own. So this keeps it from slipping off and unloosening the twist that you're already creating. So this is the style. You can see the ends are a little bit frail, so what we can do is we can just cut out the ends with our scissors. Just cut them out so that they're not so frail. Don't worry, you're not going to cut the hair out. So I'm just going to cut it diagonally like that. Like that. Just cut it. And we're going to do a final spin around. I think she's excited to show you guys our hair. And this is what her hair looks like. This is the length she has currently. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up and make sure you click the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.